Whiskey 9 November Alpha, field day.
Kilo, Charlie 1, Juliet, Mike Hotel.
That's station ending in hotel.
Kilo, Charlie 1, Juliet, Mike Hotel.
Kilo Charlie 1, Juliet Mike Hotel. Please copy 2 India, Whiskey India. Back to you.
That's a Roger, Roger. Thank you. This is 1 Hotel, Maine. Mike Echo, over.
Roger, the 1 to Hotel Maine. Thanks for the contact, 7-3.
7-3, thanks.
All right, this is Whiskey 9er November Alpha, field day.
November, Charlie 0, Juliet Whiskey.
November Charlie 0, Juliet Whiskey, 2 India, Whiskey India. Back to you.
4-1 Oscar in Charlie Oscar, over.
Roger, the 1 Oscar, Charlie Oscar. Thanks for the contact, 7-3.
7-3, have fun.
Yeah, you too. This is Whiskey 9 November Alpha, winter field day. That's our winter field day adventure for 2022. Turned out really quite well this year, I must admit.
205 contacts in less than 24 hours. Your off-center fed dipole just was screaming.
Yeah,
I think 90% of those were off that antenna. Also, the use of the bandpass filters on 20 and 40 meters mean we could work simultaneously.
Yep.
That really made a difference, I think.
Oh, yeah, the bandpass filters, that was a game changer because we've tried to work before without them, and no matter how far you space those antennas, they just, you still get the interference.
Exactly.
And this cleaned it up. We were able to park and bark at the same time and had no issues at all. And I think it also cleaned up a little bit of the noise from the solar system, the inverter.
Yep, we had a little bit of a noise on 80 meters. We may have a 75, 80 meter band pass come next time.
Yeah,
but, you know, it was doable. We made contacts in 4 different bands, 80, 40, 20, and 15. I think we got about a half dozen on 15.
Yeah, 15 opened up a little bit Saturday afternoon. I started out, I found an open freak on 20, and I think we got our first 100 there.
Right.
And then, just kind of moved down to 40. 40 was really busy Saturday afternoon and into the evening hours, and it was hard to find an open spot. 80 just wasn't in the game though. No,
I think with the S7, S9 noise floor with the inverter, we could have shut the inverter off, but then we would have lost networking.
Yep.
So that was an issue. But you know, down the road, I think maybe we just run pen and pencil if we have to, or we'll try the band passes.
Yeah.
I was using the MCOM, the Chameleon MCOM 3 portable. Saturday it worked good on 15, 20, 40. I could not break a pile up this morning though, for the life of me.
What is it?
On 20, I just Sunday morning on 20, you figure everyone is like just trying to get those last couple extra points.
Exactly.
And I just couldn't get through anywhere on it. And I don't know if that was the antenna. I was running the bandpass filter. On that, so.
No, it was, the conditions were different this Sunday morning than they were Saturday. Because on 40 meters, a lot of the stations were a lot lighter than what I heard on Saturday afternoon. I ran the 80 meter off center fed dipole. And yeah, like I said, that was a screamer.
Yeah.
It really, I'm really pleased with that antenna's performance. Makes a nice multi-band antenna.
Yeah, well, you know, 2 guys, 24 hours, 205 contacts, you can't really beat that. And it's not 30 below today.
No,
amazing.
It's like, I don't even have gloves on. It's like, what, 25 degrees out here. This is beautiful.
I'm just in the flannel. I don't even have the coat on. It's great.
Yeah.
Let's do this again.
Yeah, let's do it again. So Well, that's it. Winter Field Day out at the remote off-grid cabin somewhere in the wilds of north central Wisconsin.
Wild Wisconsin.
So I'm Michael, KB9VBR.
And I'm Joe, KD9CJX 73.
73.
Wild Wisconsin.
Wild Wisconsin.